Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my front entrance. As you can see, I want to add some light but not too much. And you guys, I'm still in the moving process. I haven't fixed nothing yet, but you know, whenever somebody coming over, the first place that they gonna come is the front entrance. My son is helping me cleaning the pathway so we can paint it. It has paint residue, so I wanted to make it very nice, as you can see. And guys, I'm going to put light throughout the entrance. I'm going to put some little Christmas light. There's a lot of things that I ordered. I haven't received them yet because of the Black Friday. Shipping take a little bit longer. And guys, I'm going to use what I have for now. I'm going to add some more flowers throughout the pathway so to make it nicer. I'm going to add solar lights throughout the entryway, on the backyard, the pathway, and I'm going to start with this type of solar light that have been sent over to me. And guys, this company sent me 3 boxes, and each box have 4 solar lights inside of them. Uses upgraded integrated LED with vintage bulb, outdoor solar light for yard charging in 6 to 8 hours under direct sunlight. It can maintain illustration for 8 hours winter and 10 hours summertime. IP65 waterproof and sunscreen. Guys, as you can see inside the box, and this light is super easy to install. And I like the look so much, and you know, it has a black and gold color. Very nice and very efficient. It's a unique design water glass lens with 0.6 watt 2 volt polycrystalline. And guys, it comes with a rechargeable AA 1.2 volt 1000 amp battery, can store more energy for all night illumination. And guys, I really like it. The installation is super easy, the 1 to 2 installation, and once you do that, it's ready to go. If you decide to order one, don't forget to remove the little green sticker inside of it that protects the battery. Okay guys, as you can see, so it's very nice to have if you doing a pathway makeover, because those make my front entrance very nice guys. And as you can see, the solar is very good quality for the price, and yeah, I like it. And let's go back guys to finish up the pathway. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, I needed something for the entryway. This is a storage box. I might change it later on, but for today, that's what I have. I'm going to use it. And yeah, I like it. It's gonna be like something you can sit on, or you can put stuff in like shoes or anything. But this one, this attention word that I'm going to use to put my garland. Guys, as you can see, and I tie them with zip tie. And afterwards, so I'm going to add it in front of the house because I needed some Christmas decoration somehow. I don't want to put too much. In my previous home, I never decorated the outside, so I don't have too much outdoor Christmas decor, and I didn't want to spend right now. I just want to take baby step. But this one does already things I already have at home, so I'm going to make it work. As you can see, so I'm going to put that in front of the house just to make it very welcoming. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, just give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Guys, as you can see, the way the pathway is changing, and I really love how everything turns out. My son didn't give me a great job at the painting. You can see, and there's some paint touching the other paint. I don't have the paint, so I have to go to do a color match, but as of for now, it's gonna stay this way, and I really love how my pathway turns out for now. The link of the solar light will be in the description box down below. Be sure to check them out.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I'm going to add more solar Christmas light on the trees outside once I receive them.
Cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.